we press the new workbook button and we give it a name. And we have nothing available, no data tables. So the first thing we must do is go to data table and press the plus sign to say add data table. We have different connectors to choose from: file URL connectors, database connectors, and streaming connectors. And here we will select the text connector, and we will select a file to connect to. We press browse to reach the file, and we pick a file that we want to connect to. Press generate columns, review the columns, press refresh the preview to get a preview of the columns in the file. We can name the data source, my data, and that name will also be reflected here. We name the data table over here. And we can enter a description for the data table. When we're done, we save and click back, where we can now use the data table.